Okay, so how do we import or scale a PDF that we already have in AutoCAD? Start new, start a brand new file, open acad.dwt, which is the simplest one. Very important to change the units to architectural, zero it, hit OK. Now, let's go PDF attach. Pick on the file that you're interested in, pick on the page you're interested in, it inserts it right away. If it doesn't insert it right away, just type in 0, 0 and enter, and then don't specify any scale, just let it come in as is. We're going to zoom into the area we're interested in. So scale is what we're looking for, so scale. This is the file that we're looking for, enter to accept, zoom close, specify base point, so that's our base point here. Notice that in Windows it's a little bit easier, you can just pick reference from here, or in your case you have to type in R, enter. It says where's your first point that you're interested in. There's the start of it. I will lock ortho, and then this is my second point I'm interested in. It says what's your value. I'm going to type in 7 foot, enter, and it scales it. So if I zoom out, the scale is correct. We can test that by placing a dimension. So I want the dimension from roughly here to there, and then if you zoom in closer, you can see this is almost 84 inches or 7 foot.